the Phineas and Ferb theme song, you're going to need a capo on the first fret. Now let's go over all the chords for this song. The beginning of the song, there's 104 days of summer vacation. The chords for that part is going to be a C to a B minor, to an A minor, to an E minor. Then you're going to repeat the C and the B minor. Then you're going to play an A and a D. Like finding a good way to spend it. Then when we go into building a rocket, the chords are going to change. It's going to be a G chord, to an A chord, to a D chord, to a G chord for giving a monkey a shower. Then we go into that part. It's going to be a G to an F sharp, to an F, and then you go into an E chord for surfing tidal waves. Then you're going to play an A chord for locating Frankenstein's brain. Then we're going to go to an F sharp, finding a dodo bird, painting a continent, and then D for driving our sister insane. Then the chords are going to be a G and an A minor. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. And then the ending, so stick with us because Phineas and Ferb are going to do it all. These chords, it's going to be a G to an F, to an E, to an A, to a D, to an E. Then you're going to repeat it, and you're going to play a G, an F, and an E, and then an A, a D, and end on a G chord. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play the different parts of the song for you just so you can see where the chords go, and then we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use at the end. So there's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it. Building a rocket, fighting a mummy, climbing up the Eiffel Tower, discovering something that doesn't exist, giving a monkey a shower, surfing tidal waves, creating nanobots, locating Frankenstein's brain, finding a dodo bird, painting a continent, driving our sister insane. As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall. So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. That's where all the chords are placed. Now let's go over the strumming pattern that you could use for this song. So for the beginning half, 104 days of summer vacation, you just 104 days of summer vacation, just downstrokes. That's it. And then when we get into the strumming pattern, so it's going to be down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. And then you go into that part, it's just downstrokes. Dun, dun, dun. Go back into the down, up, surfing tidal waves, creating nanobots, locating Frankenstein's brain. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 up. Whenever you change chords, you go down, up, and then you just go up, 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 and it has that kind of skater surfing kind of a vibe. And then for the so stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb, the strumming pattern changes there, so it's gonna be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And then that part is just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, just really fast, so. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you just gotta go fast with it. Those are all the chords. That is the strumming pattern that you need to be able to play this song. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video helped you out. If you guys need capos or strings, you can check all that stuff out in the description below. I also have the top 20 ukulele classic songs like Can't Help Falling in Love, Aloha Oi, Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Raindrops Are Falling on My Head, a free chord chart of all of those 20 songs down there. Strings, capo, not free. Chord chart, free. You can check that out. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in another one.